Hello, welcome to the National Literacy Agency online storytelling program. Today I have a story that is very popular among UK storytellers. The title of this story is Bat Learns to Dance. So it is story time. You look and you listen. Well done. Once upon a time, there was a baby bat that was hanging on the roof of its cave, next to Mama and to Papa. It was the middle of winter. I'm cold, shivered the bat, and fell off onto the floor. There, Bat met a worm. Hello, baby bat. What are you doing down here? You should be up there with your mama and your papa. I'm so cold. I'm shivering, she said. What do you do, worm, when you feel cold? Well, I'm a worm. So I wiggle, 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 wiggle. Oh, that looks fun. I really have to do that. And Bat tried it out. She went wiggle, 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 wiggle. It feels good, but I'm still cold. And Bat saw a fly on the wall, and she went to the fly. Hello, fly. Hello, baby bat. What are you doing down here when you should be up there with your mama and your papa? I'm cold. I'm shivering. What do you do, fly, when you feel cold? Oh, my love, I use my wings. Now you're going to use your wings. I use my wings, my love. I go and that keeps me warm. Oh, it looks really exciting, said Bet. I really have to do it. And so Bet tried it out. Are you going to do it with me? Good. And Bet went Ah. It sure feels good, but I'm still cold. Oh dear. Well, it was in the middle of winter. Then there was a ghost. A ghost. But Baby Bat was not afraid of the ghost. She said, Hello, ghost. Ghost said, Oh, baby bat, what are you doing down there when you should be up there with your mama and your papa? And baby bat said, I'm cold. I'm trying to feel warm. I'm trying to find somebody who can show me how I can feel warm. What do you do, ghost, when you feel cold? And ghost said, Well, baby bat, this is what I do. I go and the ghost was wooing around the cave. Wow, that looks exciting. I really have to try that. And she went, and then shook herself. Oh, that feels good. And I feel warm. Oh, she was so happy. And Bat flew back to her mama and her papa. And she said, Mama, Papa, I have learned how to dance. And above all, it keeps me warm. And Mama Bet said, Oh, really? And Papa Bet said, Come on, little one, show us. And Baby Bet did all the things that the worm did. Do you remember what that was? What did the worm do? Wiggle, 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 wiggle. But that was not enough yet. And then she did what the fly did. What did the fly do? Use the wings and go. That made Bat feel better, but she was still feeling cold. And then she showed them what the ghost did. Do you remember what that was? So we'll do it together. So Bat went, and there was much, much, much movement in that. And she was very warm. And Mama and Papa, they were so proud of the little Bet. Ah, you can dance, and now you're warm. But come, my love, said Mama Bet. Take your wings. Wrap yourself in your wings and go upside down. Hang upside down, my love. Let us all go to sleep. They are still sleeping. And that is the end of my story today. I do hope that you have enjoyed this story. Which part of the story did you like best? Did you like the way I said the story? Would you change anything? Ah, yes. Maybe you can change the worm, the fly, and the ghost for something else. Yes, sure you can. Well, I do hope that you have enjoyed the story, that you will retell the story, you will change some of the story, and above all, you will wait for me to tell you another story. Until we meet again, bye-bye for now.